Hey guys, if you're watching this, you might realize that this week in the life vlog is 1 week behind. I decided to take a break from posting my usual content last week in light of everything that was going on and everything that is going on with the Black Lives Matter movement. I wanted to be super respectful and support them in as many ways as I could, so I took the time to pause my own content on my platforms to help amplify other voices and share other messages that needed to be heard more than my own. So with that being said, though we are getting back into normal content this week, that does not mean that the fight is over. So please continue to sign petitions and donate. I'm linking some resources below on this vlog just for you in case you've missed anything on my Instagram. I've been sharing a lot of stuff in my Black Lives Matter highlight, which will still be there and will always be there. And I've also shared some resources in my feed for brands that you can support. But with that being said, again, though I'm getting back into normal content, the fight is not over, so please continue supporting the Black Lives Matter movement and keep sharing, keep donating, keep signing petitions, get ready to vote. And with that being said, thanks for following along with this week's vlog, and I am excited to share it with you a week later. Hey guys, welcome back to another week in the life vlog. This one's going to be a little bit shorter though because of Memorial Day weekend. I was at my beach house on Monday, so check out my Memorial Day weekend vlog if you haven't already seen it. I just got up, quickly did my hair and makeup, and I'm getting ready for a fun at-home photo shoot. So I'm going to show you guys the look I picked out and my setup and a little bit of behind the scenes for that. Also, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. Look what I got. This is my powder gel kit that I got off of Amazon to do my nails. As you guys know, my nails are in desperate need of some help. I have not gotten them done since quarantine, and I am going off of, I feel like it's a 2-month manicure right now. They are so grown out. So stay tuned because maybe either tomorrow or Friday I will try to give myself a little at-home manicure, but I'm gonna do a whole separate video on that, guys, because that needs its own moment to see how it goes and to see if I can even do it. I'm gonna have to do a lot of research online to make sure I do it correctly, so stay tuned for that. So for today's shoot, I wanted to play around with some gloves. At the beginning of quarantine, I bought a few pairs of colorful silky gloves off of Amazon, and this is one of the pairs I haven't shot yet. So I'm gonna pair them with a power suit, I'm thinking. I'm really liking this vibe right here, kind of like, you know, street style suit and sneaker look, but then I feel like pairing it with some hot pink gloves could be a fun contrast. So we'll see how it goes. It might look crazy or it might look great. So let's get to it. Hey guys, so now I'm just setting up my scene for my shoot. I am wearing this fun suit from ASOS, these Nike Cortezes, and I'm going to be throwing on some hot pink long elbow length gloves. So I'm really excited. I will film some behind the scenes for you guys. Hey guys, so I just finished my little at-home photo shoot, and then I took a break to upload my Memorial Day weekend vlog. So if you haven't seen it, go check it out. It was a lot of fun filming it. I had a great time down at the beach, so just got that up, pushed it out across my socials and everything like that. I'm gonna try to do one more photo shoot today. We'll see how it goes. I try not to push myself too much with my at-home photo shoots because it's a lot actually, setting up your tripod all by yourself, trying to find the right angles and everything like that. So it can get really overwhelming when you're doing it alone and you don't have a photographer helping you set it all up. So this is the look I shot. It was a fun shoot today. I will be sharing the pictures later this week on my Instagram, so go check them out if you haven't seen them. So I'm just gonna film a little unboxing. I do this thing on my Instagram that I've been doing for years. It's called What's on My Desk Wednesday, and it's a little unboxing series I started forever ago when I worked at InStyle magazine. So I'm gonna film What's on My Desk Wednesday now, but while I film it, I'll also do a little unboxing for you guys. And I just changed into something comfy. I am wearing this cute Marimekko dress, which I love. So the first thing I got are some swimsuits that I ordered from Guild. So let me show you what I got. So this one is from Love Shack Fancy, this one is solid and striped, and this one is Pro and the Schooler. Next is from Almay. They always have such cute pink packaging. Let's see what's in here. So I'm a huge Almay girl. These are like my favorite eye makeup remover pads, and I was actually almost out of them, so I'm so happy they sent me these. I also love their brow gel. Everything they make is amazing, so I cannot wait to play around with these. So that's a wrap for What's on My Desk Wednesday. See you soon. Hey guys, so I just got up and quickly did my hair and makeup. I went for a little bit of like a crimped style today. I used this little guy. It's from Bedhead and it's just called Wave Artist. It's amazing. I love it. I use it all the time. But yeah, so it gives you like these fun little crimped waves. I need to shake it out a little bit. But I'm just gonna shoot one thing really quick, but then today is the day I'm going to give myself a manicure, so stay tuned. I am nervous, we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, so this is just the quick look that I threw together for this morning's shoot. I put on this fun sparkly Tanya Taylor dress. I'm gonna throw a jacket over it. I think it's gonna be more of like a detail shot. Then I need to just quickly run to CVS to pick up a couple last things to do my nails, and then I'm gonna try to jump on that because I have no idea how long that is gonna take. So this is the kit that I bought. This is the acetone, nail filer, buffer, some cotton balls, a little guide that came with the kit. So I'm gonna go get my tinfoil because I have to soak this manicure off, and who knows how long that's gonna take. Hey guys, happy Friday. We made it through another week. I just wanted to check in and say, hey, as you guys know, I spent most of yesterday working on this crazy manicure. I'm so happy with how it came out, but it did take like 5 hours, which is crazy. So now I am just getting ready. I'm gonna do a little photo shoot at home and film a TikTok because yesterday I literally couldn't do anything, especially because my hands were all wrapped up most of the time. So I'm just gonna do that, and then I have Cosmos with Caroline later, so we'll bring you guys along for that as well. So I just finished Cosmos with Caroline with Paige, and it was so much fun. It was just what I needed to wrap up my week. I honestly have been having a really stressful week. I don't know why, honestly. I feel like I'm just putting a lot of pressure on myself. I feel like I'm not doing enough and that I need to keep creating, and I feel like I've just been stuck inside too long, honestly. So I've had a really rough week mentally, but that's okay. It happens. And you just need to keep going. So tonight for Friday night, Dave and I are just having a little comfort food, relaxing night to kind of help me just recharge and rejuvenate. So we just got McDonald's, and I'm just gonna put something comfortable on, and that's it. Just gonna have a chill night. Hey guys, since we had a shorter week, I decided to extend my week in the life vlog one day longer, and so it is Saturday and we are just having a little barbecue out on our back deck, me and Dave, and I'm super excited, wearing this fun dress from Vazzana, and I'm just gonna bring you guys along for the fun. Hey guys, so it is now Monday. Sorry this week in the life vlog was a bit all over the place, but last week was a crazy week. I am just in a casual look today, tie-dye t-shirt, jeans, and flip-flops. But I wanted to check in and just wrap up this week in the life vlog, finally wrap it up. But I'm not sure when this vlog is gonna go up, just with everything going on in the world right now. I wanna be really respectful of what's going on, and so I have made it a point I'm not posting on social media for a while because I don't wanna take up space with nonsense posts right now when there's so many bigger issues at hand and bigger things going on. So with that being said, hope you guys are staying safe, love you guys. You know, take some time for yourself and for your mental health, and when I feel like things are appropriate, this vlog will be coming to you guys then. But until then, I will see you soon, and thanks as always for tuning in, and have a great week.